What are
for
the
me.
other changes that you've seen, like as you've like reached 30s and crossed the mid 30s?
I can't stay awake for very long. I used to be like, I could stay awake all night and still be normal the next day and still work.
Yeah.
But अभी तो I can't do it at all. मतलब वो तो मेरे मेरे कैपेसिटी पे नहीं है. And maximum I think 12:30 to 1 is the max it is. And also if I do that, next time still not able to get up early. So
I know. I used to remember when I would like pull 48 hours, like or like almost zero sleep. Now, matlab, I can't do that. So if
Yeah.
I so because of that memory, I'm like, oh, ठीक है, ये सुबह काम नहीं हुआ, I'll finish it at night. But the moment it hits like 8:30, I'm like, I want to sleep.
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's not 8:30, but I need that 7 to 8 hours of sleep. अगर
same
नहीं है
here.
तो फिर it's a very bad day next day. ये तो
I've,
I've
I've
noticed.
actually started waking up early, like early by
Oh,
my standards.
okay.
So, so I wake up at 7:30 and I go to office with Kunal. Okay.
Oh, wow.
And
7:30.
I
You
know
are
I hate
waking
it.
up.
I know, right? And I hate it. Like,
No, but are you waking up with alarm or without
yeah,
alarm?
with alarm, with
With
Kunal.
But
alarm.
Kunal
7:30 is
wakes
Oh,
me up.
because
then
of
you are
office, right? You're
yeah.
waking up.
No. So I can wake up 1 hour later or maybe 2 hours later
Hey, but
because
that means that you're forcing yourself to wake up
yes,
at
I
that
am
time.
literally forcing myself. So I thought that
Yeah.
maybe if I do it for like how they
Yeah.
say 21 days make it a
Yeah.
habit. So I thought if I do it for 21 days, it'll be fine. It's not
Is it a
fine. I
habit
hate it.
now?
Yeah.
No,
No.
I hate it. I am not a morning person. Like I
Yeah.
just go around like
Yeah, but then you have to sleep early also to wake up at 7:30. And the
yeah,
thing is that
we try to be at bed by like 10:30.
By
really,
10?
oh, and you are feeling
Wow,
sleepy at
that's
10:30. It's my question.
I feel sleepy all the time, so that's not a
Oh, okay,
question.
okay. Oh.
I think I do it by 11, but we just try to be by 11
No,
because
मतलब
we have to
10
wake up at
10:30
6, I
जाके
think.
10:30 जाके रील्स भी तो देखना होता है ना इट्स
हाँ
नॉट लाइक
मतलब
Oh,
वही है that
जाके
is.
रील्स देखना होता है ना देयर इज
And then but you sleep in the afternoon after you come back from office? No. हाँ
no,
तब
I
तो
try to get like I don't sleep in the afternoon.
if I sleep in the afternoon then I won't wake up only I'm like हो गया मेरा दिन
same.
खत्म
But Sneha, तुम्हारा तो वो Galaxy Ring है. Do you use that? मतलब do you use the data to
it's
assess
very
yourself?
weird so I'm not wearing it now anymore so because
Oh,
I wear it and then sometimes I get triggered by jewelry or things that I'm wearing so I
yes,
open
yes.
everything मेरे को बहुत ऐसा अजीब लगता है so
हाँ.
so I was also wearing that chain and that bracelet then I got triggered
Yeah.
so I opened everything
Sneha has
Oh,
recently
okay.
started wearing a lot of jewelry, but then she's again off it, I think.
वो मेरा phases चलते रहता है like sometimes I feel like okay I'll wear and it's okay then suddenly something will happen I'll get like overstimulated or
Irritated.
something
Yeah, I had that when I was doing the research on this, so I had to wear the both
Yeah, I
ring and
remember.
watch for 24 hours every day, and I think I took a 6 month break जब वो खत्म हुआ research.
But
तो
then did you
after,
monitor your thing, your
of
sleep
course,
and how
yes.
was it?
I mean, I didn't monitor. It was okay, I think. I mean, I didn't. It was more like a job for me at that time. I was just looking at it very,
yeah
very objectively, like comparing with other people and everything, discussing it. But now that I have my own devices, so watch and ring, I kind
Oh,
of
show your ring? That's interesting. Oh, nice. And this is the same one from the same company you're wearing.
yeah.
Aura.
But now I really like analyze the data and I use the feedback. So abhi, for example,
Wow.
they have the this thing where they have started a new feature called sleep debt. So if I have not slept, for example, one night, which happens sometimes, so you can see that the sleep debt is high, and then you also of course kind of match it with how you're feeling, and then I try to then it's a constant reminder for me to get enough sleep, so I try to make that effort to
That's a
get
good
enough sleep.
thing.
because this matches with how Kunal also takes it he has a
Yeah.
watch
Yeah.
he monitors his watch like constantly, like whenever he
Yeah.
goes swimming or exercise anything. But I generally don't. Like even with the ring, when I'm wearing the
Yeah.
ring, initially it was the novelty of the idea, and I would be like,
Yeah.
oh, like I
It
slept
is.
well, I did not
Yeah.
sleep well. But then I was like, what will happen if I didn't sleep well? I still have to go to the office. It won't
Yeah.
be like I can sleep an extra hour. So
Yeah.
like it's useless. Yeah.
I forget wearing the watch half of the time. I'm
No,
like,
but it
oh,
for example, I'll tell you how it helped me. When one night I had to work, and I didn't finish before the deadline, so I had to stay awake the night to finish the thing. So of course I didn't sleep well, and then the week was still continuing, so I could not finish my get those extra hours. Basically, I could not. So my sleep debt was just gradually
increasing.
Yeah.
increasing, and then I could not cover it up during the weekend because I had some things planned, so I could not cover it up. So what happened was, it came to a point where I went to office one day and I was unproductive, like I could not get anything done, and I was feeling, so I just came home, and that was when I took a nap that day. So, and then I realized that I'm feeling much better already after that sleep. And when they say sleep is the best medicine, I've realized that so
Oh,
much.
That is
completely.
true. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but the readiness, I mean, compared to you guys, I think
Yeah.
I still
Yeah.
sleep the most. But compared to my old previous self, I think like my sleepiness has reduced. Like I could fall asleep anywhere, anyhow. Now it's not possible.
Yeah.
So like now I can feel that I have more difficulty in sleeping than I used to when, let's say, earlier in my 20s. Like initially, I would be like, I need a nap now. I would lie down, I would get a nap. Now it's become more difficult than that.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Also, especially in 30s, if I don't sleep for one night, for me to compensate that one night, it is like it goes up till that entire week. If I do ever, like even if I'm awake till 3 or 4 in the morning watching a movie, which is like the rarest of rarest thing we do, but I think we recently did, and it took us at least a week to recover from that one, the sleeping late thing of till 3 o'clock. So. It's not advisable to do
at
it in
this
30s. And I could
at
do it
this
in 20s very easily.
at this point, I think Kunal and I watch movies as series. Like 15 minute.
Yes.
Close. 15 minute.
Me too. If I don't finish it within a certain time, just let it go,
And
and
that too,
then
what we were watching that movie Dhurandhar, that was like, oh my God, like so much of
Okay, but
violence and
how did you like it?
I tried watching it.
it's too
I
much of
think, yeah,
violence.
somebody said there was a lot of violence, so I just.
I told you, yeah.
And yeah, the thing
Yeah.
is that I have watched violence. I have not watched violence. I've seen Game of Thrones. That is my violence level. and I realized I have actually not seen the violence every time, because I've read the book, so I could predict when the violence was coming, and you can
Ah.
predict it anywhere from the music and everything. So I have not looked at the screen when the violence is happening.
No, this I think it was too much of violence, and
Yeah.
like at times they could have avoided showing that extent. I mean, I felt that maybe I can't take violence anymore. That is the problem.
Yeah, no,
And
I told my mom also not to watch it because she can't like
yeah,
stand
and my
violence.
mom watched it. I need to check with her if she liked it or not.
I felt it was okay. I mean, there was propaganda. I will
Yeah.
tell you that there was propaganda, but movie was fine.
I watched it because of the fact everyone was saying, "Oh, it is a great movie.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you're missing out,"
yeah.
and things
It
like that.
wasn't as hyped as it was
Yeah,
made.
like I would say if the same director, he directed that movie Uri, and
Uri
I
was
loved
good.
it. It was
I loved Uri.
amazing. So in that comparison, I didn't find it that great. But ठीक है,
Oh,
हो
it's the
सकता है
same guy
people.
who directed
Yeah,
Uri,
yeah.
who's made. But Uri was very good. I watched
Yeah,
it in the
that was
theater. I
like
remember.
genuinely very good. Like
Yeah.
I still can watch it again, but
Yeah.
I can't watch this Dhurandhar again. And they have a second part coming in.
You would be surprised. People have watched it 5, 6 times. Like
Yeah,
there
I
are
don't know
people
why.
I saw
Like
in
I know
comments,
the
like Instagram, that they've watched
yeah.
it on screens 3 times, and they're
Oh.
again watching it on Netflix. And
But
then people are like that because I think it's something to do with Netflix frame rates,
oh.
and like it's the movies feels a bit different on Netflix than it does on the screen. I'm
Oh,
like, And then but the thing is that if it does, then is it a good movie really? Like if that changes how the
Exactly.
movie feels, is it really a good movie then?
I don't know.
I
I
don't know. I
I
mean,
don't think I will be watching it, but
second time for sure, no.
no.
For sure, no. I can't watch it
Because
again.
I don't think so. I'm invested in the second part also. Like
Yeah,
if
I'm
it
not
comes out, I'll
excited. Oh, the
probably.
second part should come and we will watch. No, I'm not. It's okay.
Now, like, other thing is that I'm more attracted towards movies at this point, which are very low key movies, which is,
Yeah,
for
simple
example,
and
like in that marriage wala movie, Indian cooking. What was that movie?
Oh yeah.
Malayalam movie.
Yeah.
Uh,
जिसका हिंदी
The
remake
Great
बना ना.
Indian Kitchen. Yeah. Those kinds of
oh,
things. Very
I
low
have not
key.
watched that.
Very low key, no music at all almost. And then there was this very good movie that I watched, the Amir Khan production movie. Who was that? Uh, the Lapata Ladies. Those
That was
low
Oh,
key,
that was great. I
yeah, low
loved it.
key kind of movies, very
Yeah.
basic and
Like
rarely
the
and
actual, they're
not,
showing real life
yeah,
and the struggle. So those are good. But
yeah,
this kind of extreme, I think,
yeah.
is it because
what
of our
are you
30s?
are you are you are you not like are you not accepting the all are you not agreeing with all the difficulties a spy has to face?
No, I think it's okay. I do have a lot of respect for them, a lot, but
But ये काफी
it's okay.
controversial है ये वाला movie, right? I don't know. Some people
Yeah.
Firstly,
commented about
my
it and
question
everything.
is it a true story like whatever they showed? I still don't know what
It's
They're
it is.
claiming
a
it's not. They've said it's
Yeah.
not because there was speculation that it is inspired by some person, but I think there was also this issue that they had not taken permission. Like if it was supposed to be inspired by some person, they had not
Oh,
taken the right in what's the word that I use?
the rights you
Permissions. They
said?
had not taken the
Permission,
right
yeah.
permissions. Yeah. So then Aditya Dhar was like, "This is not based on real life. It's like."
okay.
Okay. Up to then, anyways, that it goes out of Uri was a real one, na? So you have kind of okay, this really happened, and wow, like we got to see that in a movie, so that was good. But I don't know,
I
Dhurandhar
have
didn't
not
But
really.
seen Uri.
You've not seen Uri? You've not seen Uri? You should watch it then. I mean, you'll like it, at least if it has happened. Okay, let's not go there.
मत जाओ उसमें.
Yeah. Yeah,
Like
what
there
else
is
in
a seed
30s?
of truth, and then they build on that basically.
Yeah.
There's creative freedom, of course.
Yeah, but I also feel this like okay, I agree with oh shit. Oh yeah, I agree with creative freedom and everything, but how much of creative freedom can you take and call it creative freedom?
Yeah, that's true. Hmm.
But I can't comment because I've not seen the movie. So
Yeah.
I won't comment on it. This is one rule that I strictly follow. I don't want to talk about movies. I don't want to comment on movies or books that I've not seen
Yeah.
or read. That was the sole purpose why I read Chetan Bhagat books so that I could criticize him.
Oh,
It's
you've
like
read that
how
movie? The book, the new one, the 30
no,
some
I
year.
didn't. I mean, at this point, I've already like.
You're not
Which is
gonna
a
read.
new one of Chetan Bhagat?
Some 21-year-old girl and 35 or some. I may be wrong, but
Yeah,
there's a
yeah.
huge
I think,
age gap. And
No, you're not. So the last one that I read was Revolution 2020 or something. Okay,
uh,
and I was like, oh my god, this is like. I think I've done enough research, but I had to read it, to like. It would be so bad. I can't criticize him without reading.
but
I
you know,
like the two states actually, and then I kind of wanted to read more of his
Oh.
work, but then, ठीक है.
I have not read any other book except the 3 point someone, 5 point
Five,
someone.
5 point
That
someone,
was the
huh?
5 point someone was the only saving grace in his writing. The only book that was slightly okay.
Okay.
I like two states because of the love story kind of it was showing, so maybe that is the reason I was liking it, but ठीक है.
I watched the movie Two States. I
Huh.
liked it.
I love the movie, but the movie was much better, of course,
The
for
songs
sure.
were good. I like the songs. And
So
the
what
actors.
in
Abhi energy.
Energy.
Surprisingly, I'm more energetic right now. No, I'll tell you what. In 20s, I was energetic, but I was still very lazy. I was always lazy. But right now, I think I'm more responsible of doing certain things at certain times. So I kind of become active for those reasons. At time, I was like, hey, छोड़ो ना, बाद में देखते हैं type. So that attitude is not there anymore. I do things which is
That's
required to
very
be
good
done. So
Yeah.
because it's
that's a responsibility or what, I don't know, but it has been like that because back over there, like if I am sleeping and I have to do something, wash clothes or anything, I'm like, "Ugh, it's okay, I'll do it next day." So that
Oh.
postponing or not doing things on time was a thing, but I am more particular about it right now. Not just washing clothes, I'm saying like,
is it because Obru makes you?
no, he's more particular. He's very particular
Yeah,
actually.
that's why, because he's more
Yeah.
particular and you're like,
So actually
घरे
the
अशांति
vibe,
हमें होने दी.
no, the vibe is such that नहीं अभी तो ऐसा हो गया कि अपना घर साफ रखना is a thing. It has become a thing in
Uh,
UP. It can't be dirty, and over there it was like अरे कौन ही देख रहा है वाला thing. So that thing makes me keeps me active, I think. Like I
No,
could
Chandan,
sleep till
तुम्हारा
12 o'clock then in the morning and then wake up and just have the random food or order something. So it was a bad lifestyle. So energy was anyways going down because of all those things.
honestly, I don't get that lifestyle anymore, but I would love that lifestyle because that lifestyle is what makes me happy, like sleeping till 12 and then eating any crap.
was it the time when you had a cook?
Ah,
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
That was the time when you had a cook.
You talk about me.
Yeah, Sulagna.
Yeah, that time that was like when we used to stay in Chhatarpur and when we used to have all the staff around to do
Yeah.
our work, I was the
एक मिनट हाँ.
laziest at that
Okay.
time because but that was still in 30s, but because I had somebody to cook, somebody to clean the house, somebody to do even the bed and everything, so I used to do nothing.
Okay.
So automatically I was like I
Uh-huh.
just have to get up, work,
Yeah.
and just eat and
Yeah.
sleep.
Yeah.
And now I feel that it's important to be responsible for your things and do your things so that your body is active.
Mm-hmm. Also, I feel like when you do housework, there is a sense of small accomplishment, and that helps.
Exactly.
You remember, Sneha, there was this app, B
Ah,
app,
yeah, yeah, that we used
that,
to do. Yeah.
yeah, that
What?
had that, and actually that helped me like
And the
do
Finch
reels.
app. Remember, I made you
Oh,
guys
okay.
download.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
That was a time when I was feeling very down. It was last year December, I think, and I was watching
Sneha
a lot
show,
of,
yeah,
yeah, a lot of social, like I was addicted. I still am addicted to Instagram, and
we
I was
all are.
watching a lot of reels for hours on end. I was watching reels, and then I used to follow a lot of influencers at that time, and they have, and I was like, I was thinking, I don't know, I was going down a rabbit hole at that time, and then I unfollowed everybody. Unfollowed, so all the influencers, like just lifestyle influencers, only kept some that I really enjoy listening to, because they don't show stuff, they just talk about things.
Good
So
things, yeah.
yeah, like the topics that I'm interested in, so I follow those influencers. And then I made a conscious choice to stop watching reels, and that helps. Like now also I am on reels for maybe 30 minutes or max 1 hour, but not that, like, once I recognize it, I immediately remove it.
Yeah, I
Instead of,
think the concept is to like just be aware. Like, I don't
yeah,
think
yeah,
so. Watching or doing anything is bad on its own,
yeah,
but like being aware that you're putting
yeah,
this much time into this thing
yeah,
and what it is giving you in return.
yes,
It's the
yes,
same about everything, I think. Food also, or like even work, life balance, and everything.
yeah. And
Yeah.
the thing is that with reels, it's so quickly you lose track of time. At least for me, it has been like that.
Yeah,
You,
because it's short videos, right? It keeps
yeah,
changing. There's no you don't have to involve
Yeah.
your mind so much. So it's
Yeah.
just like
And
a
It's
noise.
actually,
fun to watch
yeah.
it, no? So it's like you're
Yeah.
just mindless watching kind of a thing,
I don't
Yeah.
know if you guys have realized this, but on Netflix also these days, some of these series that comes, most of them are kind of like that, like falls into category of white noise. Like you don't have to really use your mind to think
Yes, yes.
about the series. You can put it on, eat your dinner, look at your
Yeah.
phone at the same time the thing is playing, and
Yeah.
you're not really missing
And
anything
Yes, yes,
no,
because
yes.
I'll
it's
tell
just
you
going
one more
on. Things
thing
don't change.
here, that we also look for such series so that we don't have to put a lot of the entire day of work, and at the dinner time, you just want to
So
see some mindless thing so that you can
what
just
is
finish
what
it
is
off.
interesting, what is interesting is that there is a theory, I mean, let's call it a conspiracy theory, that this is done on purpose so that you use your brain even less every day.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know. But I will tell you this. So, to stop myself from watching reels, I instead focused, like, I made this rule in January that year that I will only look at long form videos, whatever be the video. I may not be able to finish it, but I was, and that's how I actually got into podcasts. So now I listen to a lot of podcasts here and there. Yeah.
I think I started listening to a lot of historic things, and because my niece is interested in Ramayana and
Okay.
Mahabharata, she used to ask me stories, and I realized I just don't know, and she knows more than me. So that was one of the thing I started watching podcasts and cooking, because we have to cook here, we have no options. So that is the time I put on something, and then you start cooking, or so that's a good way of like you don't need to see reels and anything. You can
Yeah.
just put on your podcast. So yeah,
And
I
my
think
I don't
favorite
know.
podcast is Nope by Kunal Kamra. Oh, it is so good. So informative. Oh my god.
it's about what? I don't know.
It's just random topics and
It's Kunal Kamra, so
yeah.
yeah. It's
He
gonna be
gets
nice though.
yeah, he
Yeah.
gets an expert in the field that he's talking about. He gets an
Okay.
expert. So I think recently they did not recently, I'm just randomly going, but they always get an expert and a person who's working in that field to talk about it. So it's very interesting and you learn a lot from that.
Kunal, as in my Kunal, loves watching podcasts. Like he watches all kinds of podcasts and keeps trying to suggest me to watch. I mean, not watch. Sorry, listen to some of the podcasts. But somehow I can't listen. Like it's not a podcast thing. It's like even talks.
Oh.
People who've gone to college with me probably know that I fall asleep. Like I just don't have bandwidth to listen to someone
Okay.
speak.
What
Oh my
about
god!
audiobooks? Would you listen to an audio?
No,
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 no.
no.
I still remember when we were in ISER and Nandi used to be so pissed off at me that because every time I would be like, I used to fall asleep. And there was this one time where Nandi and I went together to a class and we were late, okay? And our director, he was from chemistry, he was teaching a class, like that was the class we were attending. So nobody sat on the front bench. And that was the only bench that was remaining. And we sat there and I fell asleep there too. And Nandi is like, you embarrassed me.
Okay. Yeah, lectures are also yeah.
So, but I still can't do it. So, if somebody tells me that I have to attend a class or a lecture, and I'm like, do I really have?
But can you attend a lecture on YouTube where you can pause?
No, I
No?
can't. I
Okay.
can't. It's very
Oh.
boring for me. You will give me 100 pages, I'll probably read it, but I just
Oh.
can't listen to anybody.
For me, YouTube has been a revelation to follow a lecture because I can pause, go back. Because
Yeah.
in class, when a teacher is saying something, you kind of lose track of the
Yeah.
words,
So, but
and then
I think that is where it came from because I never really caught up with whatever the teachers were teaching.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I like
yeah,
always used to have to go back and read to
yeah.
understand what was actually taught. So maybe.
So, but in YouTube, you can pause and then go back, listen to the same line maybe 10 times, even, and if you don't understand it, you now Google it and you find like it takes more time, it's more time consuming, but still, it is more like it's good.
So, coming back to the original topic that we were talking about, energy. So it seems like it's good for Sulagna because she has more energy. It seems because it's really opposite for me. I just don't have energy all the time.
No, but
Like,
one thing, Sneha, energy, like for example, I could dance and I could dance for long. I can't do that anymore. I don't know why. And
no,
I
I don't
tried
have the
doing
energy
it
to do
once.
anything. Like, not even things I like, because I don't even know like what are the things I like. Not even things I don't like. I don't have energy to do anything. If I didn't have to earn money, I
Yeah.
would probably rot in bed. I mean, I think it's a stupid theory. I probably would get bored of it, but
But then anyways, you have to cook and do everything over there. No, there's no help, so
yeah,
you have to do it.
so that's where alcohol helps. It's lovely to cook with a glass of
Unless
wine.
Kunal does all the cooking.
No, he doesn't. He comes late every day because he has to travel 1.5 hours
Oh yeah. But you
one
also
way
come
and then
along.
one.
You
No,
come with
my
him.
my office is 15 minutes in bus.
Oh, okay. I thought he picks you up and then you come back home. Okay.
No, it's just 15 minutes. Uh, so I have to cook on weekdays. He cooks on the weekends. But I really detest cooking. Like I don't know if it's a societal thing that I have been. It has been put into me to hate, but I just hate cooking. But a glass of my wine makes it bearable.
Okay. Yeah, for
And
me, I think
what
I'm
about you?
midway. I'm midway. I mean, I don't think I've lost energy or anything, but I do feel like the threshold is higher for me to do anything. So,
Hmm.
but I
Threshold,
think,
inertia.
yeah, yeah. But I remember uh, in my 20s, by friend, I was surrounded by friends at that time. So it was quite easy. If somebody said कि hostel में यहाँ जाना है, चलो चाय पीने चलते हैं, तो I would be like हाँ चलते हैं. But
That energy was there.
हाँ,
But
but now,
I didn't have the energy to do my household thing, but I had the
To
energy
be
to go
fair,
out.
I never had that energy. Like even like
okay,
college में also, I was more like कि
No,
चाय
that
पीने
energy
like
I had.
maybe
If anybody just
graduation level
offered.
में था, but not in the ISER days. Like people used to hang out more, and I would be like घर पे बैठ के आराम से.
and then Saturday, Sundays, oh my God, we used to have a lot of energy to go out and party and all those things. But I don't have that energy now, I think.
But Sneha knows
Yeah.
my low energy while we were hiking in one of the mountains, and that was the kind of energy I had.
But I would say that my energy is not like, I don't know how to describe energy, but I think now the lifestyle has changed. So maybe I have just molded into that lifestyle.
Yeah, because even in weekends, it's not like just a free weekend, right? You have to do
Yeah,
your shopping and you have to plan stuff for
yeah,
the
yeah,
week. It's
yeah,
like part and package of
yeah.
being 30, being in
But what
30.
I have changed, or maybe has happened, is that I cannot work in the weekend unless there's a serious deadline. Earlier, I could work in the weekend, but now I can't.
Which is good because it is something you shouldn't. Because
Yeah.
let's be honest, the work
Hmm.
life balance that we grew up
Hmm.
in is absolutely
Yeah.
rubbish.
Yeah.
Like the
There was no
first,
balance.
so the first cultural shock for me when I came here was because I joined in January, right?
Hmm.
And then it was my birthday. This is a story 3 years back when I joined this place, and my line manager was like, "Oh, it's your birthday. You should have taken a day off." And this concept is so foreign to me. I'm like, "What? You can take a day off on your birthday? That's allowed?"
That is normal.
You know.
Oh. But रिसर्च में ऐसा कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है. होता है?
I
तुमको
think
लगा?
so. At least the PhD people that I see here, they seem more,
Oh.
Energetic?
more energetic, more at peace with themselves because they have a balance.
Because they're finally done with the thing.
Yeah.
No? That was a heavy lift, I feel. In
But
PhD was
No, no,
not
no,
a.
because nobody will bother them after 5:30 because.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's a good thing over here as
yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
But also
That
we
is
have to
there.
keep in mind, I work in a national facility, so it's not a university. I don't know what happens in a university. That
Ah,
is true.
okay, okay, okay. Because I think I did not see that much change in my working life when I moved from India to Finland. But
But have you
Oh,
active?
ask
No, no, no,
me.
wait. No, no, wait, Sulagna. Have you actively tried to put that boundary? Because I
yes,
remember this conversation that we had where,
I have
you know,
not.
if you were not Indian, if you were Finnish, would people expect the same things from you?
I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. I have no idea. I have not put that boundary. And but people are very nicer. Like people are kind of, if they ask me, would you be free on the weekend? Like it has happened once. A professor had asked me, just like last week. They had to submit for some grant, and I said I had some plans that day, and like if I didn't have the plan, I would have said yes, I would be available on Saturday, but I had some plans, so I couldn't. And they were absolutely like, even my current supervisor also is like, if he sends something uh on the weekend, I mean, it's fine. It's I don't have to answer it. It's fine.
Yeah, and this is not
Yeah.
existent in
Yeah.
India,
No,
is
no,
it?
no.
Because yeah, it's not.
Yeah. I worked on Saturdays. I remember being
Yeah,
called.
Saturday was a
I
working day
worked
for
on
us.
Saturdays, Sundays
Oh,
if needed, and it is like you're expected to do it.
yeah.
And I remember once there was a mail escalation because I didn't work on Saturday to give something, and I had some prior planning. So, and it was not required to work on that Saturday, but it's just a mindset, I think. And it was very sad that I had to do that, but I decided I'll not do it because initial days I used to do it, and I thought this is the normal thing over here. And I mean, because I didn't know what is a normal thing anywhere else, so working on Saturday, Sunday was normal. But then I realized if I don't stop, it will just continue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So when I
And yeah,
did, yeah, so when I did that, and when I stopped myself, there was an escalation. I'm like, I still did not care, but then I decided. But after that, when I moved to the previous organization, and there was, in fact, if I worked on some odd hours or on a weekend, they would say, "Why are you working now?" So then I realized it is like work in our working hours and be productive. Don't waste your time at that point. And still
yeah,
we do this. We are like from 8 to 5, you're just working, 8 to 4:30 actually. You're just working and then you're done. Like nobody expects you
yeah,
to
yeah,
work
yeah.
beyond that.
And it's a similar thing happened to me. So there was a lot of things that were coming across, and a lot of things that we needed to finish. And I told, like casually, I told someone that, okay, this thing I'll finish at home, and I'll get it to you by tomorrow. And they were like, no, you don't need to. You can come back and do it. You don't have to finish it at home. So this concept of doing work at home
Yeah, yeah.
doesn't exist, which is quite refreshing actually.
But here,
I mean,
actually, here I like
that's
that.
the
Just one thing. Here I like that there is no like you have to do it. Like
yeah,
there's
yeah.
no such thing.
It's like yeah. So the thing is it's there, but my Indian ass has still not been able to accept it because I still feel guilty, and yeah.
All
Yeah.
sorry. Just one thing I'll tell you that back in India that was more of a force. Over here, if because if I have to work on something, I'll work on that. Like nobody needs to
Because you
tell
want
me.
to. Because you want to.
Yeah, like I need
Okay.
to finish something. I'm like, okay, I have time and I'll sit down maybe on a weekend to just to put my mind more into that particular thing. But nobody forces you to do it. But over there, it was like a thing that you're supposed to do it. And it was, I know, like, if it's not a priority, you don't need to. If it's a priority, of course, everybody has a sense of work, they have to do it. But it's not a priority, and still you're putting effort just because you need to show that you're working so hard. And the concept of working late, working till 10 and all.
It's that
Uh,
it reminds me, there was this guy, okay, in our institute. So he was the epitome of like the perfect researcher, okay, because he used to be in the lab morning to evening. मतलब जब भी कोई आए वो lab में होता है. And I'm like, he's playing the guitar in the lab. He's watching a movie in the lab. What is the purpose of being in the lab if you're doing this? Like, I can do that at home also. Like, मैं क्यों करूँ? Like, मेरा mental, oh, because obviously
exactly.
the mental peace concept was only not there. So
Yeah.
I still remember we had this thing where there was this talk on mental peace and something like how PhD people are suffering. Like not only PhD, even like engineering students and everybody is suffering in the science field because nobody talks about mental health.